This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to see how we can edit our product thumbnails in WordPress. Let's get started. Now, for that we'll need a plugin called Woothumbs. We'll head over to our website. The website will be linked in the description. We'll click on Buy Now. Choose a plan which is $80 a year or lifetime support for $240. You can choose as per your wish and it will download a zip file. Now let's head over to our website and click on Dashboard. Click on Plugins, Add New. And we're going to upload the plugin. Choose File and click on zip file that you downloaded. Click on Open and click on Install Now. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Click on Activate the plugin. And as you can see, our plugin has been activated. Now let's add a new product. Click on Add New. We'll add a product name. Click on product image, set product image. And click on set product image. Click on add product gallery. We'll choose this placeholder, but what we'll do is add a media URL. Let's add a video. And paste the video's link here. Now we can change the aspect ratio as well. By default it is 16:9. We'll change it to 1:1, which is the square, and click on Add to Gallery. Click on Publish. And let's preview our page. As you can see, a video has been added. But the problem is that this is a YouTube video and you'll see all these YouTube UI in here. If you don't want that, you would rather upload a video. For that, let's add a new product. Now we'll add some images. We're going to set this as product image and click on add product galleries. Click on upload files. And click on open. Now we'll click on add to gallery and publish this. Now as you can see, we've added the images. Now let's add the video. For that, click on add product gallery and click on this. We need an image as a placeholder. Now let's click here, attach MP4. Click our video that we uploaded and click on attach MP4. Now let's publish her. Click on update. Now as you can see, a video has been uploaded. Now let's see more settings in Woothumbs. For that, click on WooCommerce. Head over to Woothumbs. Now here we can edit. Now let's finish the installation. Click on continue. Now here we will see where our gallery should appear. For example, our gallery is below the product. We can change that either on the left side or the right side, or don't show it at all. I want to add it to the right side and click on continue. Now I want to add the image transition. You can do horizontal, vertical or fade. Fade seems nice. Let's continue with that and click on finish and save. Now here we can edit more settings. Click on display. Now here we can edit what the gallery width would be. Now I would like to leave them at default. Let's head over to carousel. We can change the mode here as well. I'll click on fade and we can change the slide duration. Maybe I want it to be a little faster and I want carousel to be activated in autoplay mode. And we'll make sure you enable this infinite loop and click on save changes. We'll head over to media. If we want to autoplay the video that we added, click on yes. And if you want to make your website quicker, enable lazy load MP4 videos. For now, we'll leave it as no. Let's head over to our website. Now as you can see, the image transitioning is too fast. Let's slow it down. Now as you can see, our image has been transitioning and it stops when we hover over the icon. Let's add some more duration to give it time and click on save changes. Let's head back and refresh. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.